Every bottle of mango juice begins with perfectly ripened fruit. Only the finest mangoes are selected for premium mango juice. Quality begins long before the factory doors. Freshness is protected from the very first journey. Careful farming creates exceptional flavor. Perfect ripeness delivers natural sweetness.
Vast orchards supply the factory with premium fruit. Only the best mangoes continue forward. Cooling helps preserve natural sweetness. Harvest flows smoothly toward production. Careful transport protects every mango. Quality is confirmed before the journey. The road to fresh mango juice begins. Fresh fruit travels quickly to the processing plant. Every minute helps preserve freshness. Fresh harvest meets advanced manufacturing. The real production journey begins. Fresh mangoes are ready for their first step inside the factory. Every crate arrives with freshness carefully preserved. Inspection confirms the harvest meets factory standards. Every mango is tracked from orchard to bottle.